Hello everyone, welcome to the True Plan of Living. Today we are going to be talking about callaloo, and it's right here. I have a whole bunch that I picked myself. Now callaloo, as you can see, is a fast-growing tall leafy green vegetable, and it's from the amaranth family. It is usually harvested when it is young and tender, or when the leaves or stems are mature for cooking. It is very nutritious, and it contains calcium, potassium, vitamin C. It also provides iron, protein, and fiber. So this is a superfood. Callaloo is usually prepared by cooking. However, it has more nutrients when it is raw, so you can use it for juicing. Those green juices, it's usually available in your Caribbean stores. In Jamaica, for example, we use it to make a very popular dish called callaloo, and we do it by stewing. Some people say steaming it with onions, garlic, tomato, thyme, and some people add Scotch bonnet pepper. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the callaloo, okay? So let's first look at the callaloo. The callaloo has seeds. Some people eat it, some people don't. It's just up to you. And it has the leaves. And you have the stem. So what happens, the callaloo sometimes have, it's right here, an outer covering on the stem, as you can see. And sometimes when you eat this, it's very chewy, and a lot of persons do not like it. So before you cut up the callaloo, you have to remove this outer portion. So what you would do, you would cut it, and as you peel along the stem, you see it is removed, and you will continue to do so. Usually you just get a little piece here, and some people will cut it. See, I'm removing a bigger portion here, and you do this diligently. So this is pretty much what we're removing, because we don't want to have that chewy feeling when we're eating it. There's no real technique. Some people do it quite fast. They have mastered it. Some people do it quite slow. But this callaloo here is very soft. It's very tender. And as I said before, some people, they would want to eat the seeds. Like if they're like this, they usually keep them. But even on the small stems, I'm going to show you, you also have that outer covering. All right, and usually when you're done, it should be pretty clean. You may have a few more if you want to remove it, but it's clean, and you just cut it up on a cutting board. Make sure to wash and check for bugs. And that's pretty much how you would clean the callaloo for cooking. Thanks for watching, and please do remember to subscribe.